morning, beautiful souls. How many times have you woken up feeling groggy, tired, and just not quite ready to tackle the day ahead? We've all been there. But guess what? I have a secret that will change the way you start your mornings forever. Are you ready? Today, we're going to take you on a journey to discover a 10-minute yoga routine designed specifically for beginners. This routine will help you kickstart your day right, infusing it with positivity, energy, and a mindful approach. Even if you're brand new to yoga, don't worry, we'll guide you step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be feeling like a yoga pro. Imagine this. It's early in the morning, the sun is rising, and you find yourself in a peaceful spot, ready to embark on your yoga practice. The sound of nature surrounds you, and you feel a gentle breeze brushing against your skin. It's a perfect moment to connect with yourself, to find balance and tranquility before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up, focusing on awakening your body and preparing it for the day ahead. We'll start with some neck rolls to release any tension you may be carrying from your sleep. Slowly move your head in circular motions, allowing the muscles to loosen up and relax. Next, we'll move into the mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and take a deep breath. Feel the ground beneath your feet, grounding you to the earth. Lift your arms, palms facing each other, and as you exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Take a moment here to set an intention for your day. As you hold this pose, you might notice a sense of stability and strength growing within you. Let go of any worries or stress that may be lingering from yesterday. This is your fresh start. Embrace it. Now let's flow into the cat-cow pose. On all fours, inhale as you arch your back, lifting your gaze toward the ceiling, and exhale as you round your spine, bringing your chin to your chest. Feel the fluidity of the movement like a gentle wave flowing through your spine. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension that you may be holding onto. Let go of yesterday's worries and invite a sense of ease into your body and mind. This is your time to start fresh, to create a new day filled with endless possibilities. Moving on, we come to the downward dog. Press your palms into the mat, lift your hips, and straighten your legs, forming an inverted V shape. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and calves as you ground through your hands and heels. Take a moment here to feel the rejuvenating energy flowing through your entire body. In this pose, you're not just stretching your muscles, you're also clearing your mind, allowing space for positivity and clarity to enter. Finally, let's find solace in the comforting and grounding child's pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and gently fold forward, resting your forehead on the ground. Allow your body to surrender to this restful position, letting go of any remaining tension or stress. As you sink deeper into this pose, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to begin your day with self-care and mindfulness. Embrace the stillness, the quiet, and the serenity that this moment brings. Congratulations, you've just completed a 10-minute yoga routine specifically designed for beginners. How do you feel? Can you sense the positive energy coursing through your veins? I bet you're ready to take on anything that comes your way now. Remember, starting your day with this yoga routine will not only help you stretch and awaken your body, but also improve your flexibility and bring a sense of calmness to your mind. By incorporating this practice regularly, you'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to embrace all the beautiful moments that await you. And with that, my beautiful souls, I want to say thank you for joining us on this journey to start our days right. Let's make a commitment to ourselves, to our well-being, and to nurturing our inner light every single day. Remember, you deserve this time for self-care and self-love. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. We can't wait to see you on this journey of wellness and self-discovery. Until then, remember to start your day right, embrace the beauty of each moment, and spread positivity wherever you go. Take care, my beautiful souls. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video.